Alright, so I'm under the car. We have a code P2A03, I think. I'll put it down below. But I have the O2 sensor tool, and we're gonna be taking the O2 sensors off, cleaning both of them. When I installed my pipes yesterday, I had them out, and you can see the pipes here. It's upside down. But I have high flow cats. Oh wow, look at that color. They already changed colors. They were silver. Oh, you can see it now, but it's like purple. Oh, it looks really good. And while I'm under here, I'm gonna tighten up the bolts too. But that is the sensor, bank 2, sensor 1. And I'm gonna take it out, clean it. I'm gonna do the other one too, since I'm under here. I have to disconnect these first, and then I'll use my tool to take those off. I'm gonna clean them, and then put them back, and just tighten up whatever bolts I can reach, just to make sure there's no leaks. But shouldn't be too hard. Got my tool right here, so we'll get started. So I'll put this on over the wire, and then just turn counterclockwise and loosen them up. We're gonna disconnect this wire, remove it from in here, and then just spin it while we take this out. And you can see right here, that is not the cleanest sensor. And then we're just gonna do the other side. So now we're on the driver's side. Gonna just undo this plug, pull the wire out. I already busted this one loose, so I'm just gonna take it out. I'm gonna put it down over here, and we're gonna clean them. So it's not super hard to clean them. You're just gonna wanna make sure you keep this end up away from the spray, and just spray on the outside, spinning it around. You wanna make sure you get in there, but we also don't wanna get any liquid inside. It should be pretty clean now. Should have did it before and after picture, but it looks much better. So we'll the ring looks like it might be worn out. That might be the issue. I don't know. We'll see. I'll check the other one. If it throws another code, then maybe I'll just try to get the new spacers. So I'm gonna install the driver's side first. Basically, I already have anti-seize on the bolt. So I like to go counterclockwise until I hear it like sit. I'm just gonna do this one finger tight. Take my tool here, put it on. Now yesterday, I installed these, and I made them kind of tight. And today, when I went to take them off, they were kind of loose. So maybe that's the issue we're having, that they came loose. Air was getting by. Alright, driver's side done. Alright, so same thing on the passenger side. Slide it in counterclockwise to hear it sit. And then clockwise. Busting my glove. Slide the specialty tool on. Tighten it up. You don't want to make it too tight, but I made it pretty tight yesterday. And they were real easy to get loose. So maybe that had something to do with the error code that I got earlier. Reconnect that. Make sure it's all the way in. Put these up out of the way. Nothing catches them. I'm just driving down the road. All right.